either way. Stop it. I didn't stop it.
Move, Mark. All right.
Mark, you're in the way! I am not going down there. Did you break it?
Oh, piece of this. You alright? Fucking hurt! No, I went farther and deeper than it.
Run away. He's really pissed off up here. Do you want me to kiss your boo-boo?
Fuck that!
Did you ever show them the pictures?
Marco kissed
Did you ever show them the pictures? What? Did Rebecca Drew, did you ever show them the pictures? Rebecca Jewish show pictures? What? Did you ever show Jeff the pictures Rebecca Drew?
No, don't show any Lucas right now.
Yeah, don't show right now. I showed Morris, but
You need, like, no bushes here.
Mark, your turn to go on.
What?
Your turn.
You're going on this path. By yourself. And watch your hat, because it's probably going to get ruined.
No, my hat could,
Okay, have fun.
protect me. What's he doing?
You're going on by yourself.
Okay. Oh well, you can
Oh,
say
well,
it.
I slid through, like, just, like, 20
I got like a
times.
twig like in my eye.
I slid
Have fun.
like 20 fucking times.
Alright, Mark's your turn. He's being a pussy.
Ouch.
Lori's like, pussy. I'm like, I have one, but you didn't hear me. I'll videotape us going down. Like, I'll sit on it and videotape it.
Okay, I want to see Marco first.
If I say, like, stop, try to stop, because I want the camera to get, like...
Just be all evil inside.
Oh, I should look at his forehead like you. I'm kidding, Mark.
We're gonna go in there and have like a cut for it.
You probably will on Thursday. Okay, sit.
I keep it tongue.
Okay, up, all the way up. Wait, are you gonna go by yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, go ahead. Ready?
He's going with me.
Hold on, wait. So don't go yet. I have to.